See, I've been a writer on Wattpad since 2016, and this is what I've learned about earning on Wattpad. Wattpad in general is a user generated platform, if you notice. It mostly focuses on writers because their stories pull users to their platform. This is what they call the Wattpad flywheel, which is why Wattpad has now introduced many earning opportunities for writers. Just like this flywheel predicts, Wattpad writers get the opportunity to write for free, get instant feedback, and now they're also getting paid to write on the platform for free. In fact, some of the writers are also getting signed by publishers, brands, and movie studios. You see, writers are attracted with these variety of free features, which is why they write on the platform. And because these writers are also readers, other readers find a sense of relatability with their works. The more people use the platform to read and write, the more features get unlocked for writers. However, Wattpad chooses which writer gets paid for their works. So if you're a fictional writer who wants to make money on Wattpad in 2024, keep watching. Firstly, let's talk about the paid program. You've likely seen stories labeled as Wattpad Originals or Updated Weekly. These are part of the Wattpad Paid Program. It's an invite only program where Wattpad handpicks writers and their stories. While getting into the Wattpad Paid Program is competitive, there are strategies to increase your chances. So, firstly, stay updated. Follow Wattpad original news and updates to stay informed about the latest opportunities and guidelines. Secondly, you must write binge-worthy stories. See, the whole point of paid programs is that every single chapter you write, people can't wait for it to, unlock, for it to get updated. Because the stories on Wattpad are mostly serialized. So every single chapter should be compelling. Compelling enough for the readers to unlock, to give their money so that they can read even more. That's why if you write, if you create narratives that keep your readers hooked, eager for the next chapter, it's crucial for attracting attention and also getting invited by the Wattpad paid program. Once you're writing stories that are so compelling that they are binge worthy, you might even get invited by the Wattpad paid program. Then, thirdly, try to build a strong readership. See, the main point of Wattpad flywheel and its algorithm is that it wants more and more users to be on the platform and for them to also pay for their features, right? Like mostly readers for them to pay for their features and for writers to keep writing. So, in order for readers to keep reading your book, you have to create stories that keep your readers engaged. So, the more engaged readers you have, the higher your chances of getting noticed will be. Focus on increasing votes, comments, and read. Secondly, and you must have heard of this, it's the Wattys Awards. Beyond the paid program, the annual Wattys offers another avenue to earn money and recognition. To participate in Wattys 2024, make sure to submit your story before the August 6th deadline. If you want to learn more about the rules, visit Wattys' official website. All the rules change every single year. Here are some of the Wattys 2024 updates to take note of. There will be 40 winners in a total. Not all of them will get monetary prizes. As it says here, that of the winners, up to 2 in English, 1 complete and 1 ongoing, up to 1 in Filipino, and up to 1 in Spanish, maybe from an entry already participating in Wattpad's original. Also, there will be 1 grand prize winner, each in Filipino and Spanish, and 2 grand prize winners in English, 1 in complete and 1 in ongoing, chosen out of the pool of 40 winners. The grand prize winners will receive a cash prize of 5,000 US dollars. If you want more clarity, you can also visit Wattys' official page where I got these official rules from. Now, winning the Wattys grand prize is a dream for many. So, to increase your chances, focus on these key areas. Firstly, the official rules say that the grand prize winners should achieve distinction in at least 3 of the 4 special prize criteria. These special prize criteria include the best characters for writing characters that resonated with sponsor judges to be determined in their sole discretion. Then the most engaging world, for rich world building that makes the reader feel like they can truly immerse themselves into the setting. Biggest twist for shocking sponsor judges with an unforeseeable twist, and catchiest hook for writing a hook that builds off an idea that is fresh, imaginative, and exciting. And not just that, but for your story to get shortlisted alone, you have to go through two judging processes. Shortlisted entries will be selected by manual editorial review based equally on 1. Creativity, 2. Originality, and 3. Quality of writing, including grammar, spelling, and syntax. If you're writing in English, then Wattpad's machine learning model will first select and shortlist a story, and once selected, only then it'll go towards the manual selection process. As you can read over here, the ML model reads the story text and tags to identify certain features and patterns. The ML model then compares these features and patterns to those found in content submitted to the Wattys Awards from 2020 and 2022, like between 2020 and 2022, and applies a score to how similar content is to our quality content groups. So basically, what this is gonna do is that it's gonna shortlist your stories into these collections, as it says here, similar content and content groups, based on the quality and the text and the tags. And then what it's gonna do is that it's gonna compare your stories, your novels, if they get selected, uh, with the stories that were written between 2020 and 2022, and based on the quality score and like how similar the content is and whether there's any twist, like there's not much information on what sort of similarity they're seeking and whether even they are seeking any sort of similarity or not. While the specifics of Wattpad's machine learning model are undisclosed, it's likely that these factors like genre similarity and reader engagement metrics, including views, votes, and comments, influence the story selection process. And then after that, if your book gets selected from the machine learning model, your book will further get selected. So if you want to write a book that helps you earn money on Wattpad, then you might want to check out my next video where I'll be sharing with you a step-by-step guide on brainstorming a novel from scratch. I'm going to be posting regular interactive videos on plotting your novel, creating realistic characters, and more Wattpad hacks. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more writing tips and Wattpad insights. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks again for watching and happy writing.